Kei te kimioi te kupu Māori mo campaign, o mo te word story, rānei. Engari, yeah, campaign mode. Kei te tonu mātou that, we're gonna hit campaign today, whānau. It's been a while, there's a lot of bits that I probably won't know. Engari, we're gonna hit it soon. Yeah, campaign mode, let's get into it, yeah? New game. Realism there? Veteran? You will not survive. Enemies are lethal with deadly accuracy. Shh. Cold-blooded lad. Te rapea mi tīmata tātou I Harden, te mea tōtoru, eh? Maybe we start with the third. This one being the third. Like as in Harden, difficulty, and then me he mea kaore tae mātou te haere tonu I tēnei momo hea te kupu whakauauatanga. Pea, kauki mātou ki te regular, ne? Nā reira, mi tīmata tātou I Harden. Ika. Ika.
We must realize that no arsenal or no weapon in the arsenals of the world is so formidable as the will and moral courage.
Maybe I should change it to 1080p. Te tākoro no I runga I tētahi
let that be understood by those who practice
whakawhakaata
terrorism and prey
ultra
upon
wide.
their neighbors.
Some U.S. intelligence analysts believe
So I'm on the
America
ultra right at the
already
moment, so that's why you'll see the black
with
bars on the
Soviet
top,
Union.
bottom, and the left and right.
Living among us.
When I play multiplayer,
Have been taken hostage at the American
it
Embassy
takes up the
in
whole
Tehran.
screen, but maybe
An
in
unnamed
campaign,
White House official
it's not the
believes
case.
Cold War disaster could be just around the corner.
Unless this is just the trailer part, and then it'll change once we get into the game.
Mr. President, we have two names linked to the hostage situation.
E pūrākau hau
Arash
tēnei,
Kadivar and Qasim Javadi.
e haere tonu te
Just
pūrākau
give the
rānei.
word.
It's time to send a message. There will be no
Qasim
more
Javadi,
hostages.
You sure we can trust the police, Adler?
This guy's done more for less. He'll look the other way.
Cousin.
Adler?
Oh, kei te Netherlands mātou. Amsterdam.
You remember Mason.
We cleared a move on the target.
Qasim is in his apartment, but he's well protected. I can keep my men out of the area for 15 minutes. I hope you brought an army.
We brought enough. Pleasure doing business with you. Come on. Woods is itching for a dust-up. We don't want to let him down.
Rua rau tāra, hika. Interrogate, neutralize Qasim Javadi. Oh, nā, koe nā tō mātou tangata. Ke te aru mātou I a Qasim. Oh, yeah, kataia mātou te kite, so it's covering up the whole screen at the moment, so that's good. Maybe tātou. Adler.
We're on the clock, Woods. Let's not keep the scene waiting.
Oh, ko Woods tēnā. E Woods hau tēnā?
Party favors are in the trunk.
Alana. TSM for you. MP5 surely. For that reason.
Dipshit probably thinks he's safe.
That piece of trash is a lot of things. But safe ain't one of them.
I really need to take this son of a bitch alive.
Press tab to view your current objective. Okay. Te manako. Ka haere pai tō tātou nei kemu. Hopefully you have a good game. Not too hard. I just remembered we're on Vetri.
bought us 15 minutes. We need to hit Kasim hard and fast.
Kasim, hard and fast. The pub was just... We just left the pub and it's just up the road.
Let's help him ring in the new year. Light him up, Mason.
Colette.
Go, go, go! There's Kasim!
Ooh. Mahunga shot.
Get it up the stairs! We need Kasim alive!
I'm moving.
Who's switching this out of there?
Kasim can't escape! Find him!
Stairs, right? Ooh. Oh! Initiate brutal grab enemy as a human shield. Initiate takedown? Okay, two name it.
Oh!
There you go.
Go, go!
These are my brothers. Hey, here, parata. Ooh, hey, here,
Hurry up!
Oh! Tangata whaia hau. Oh, ka kite, aere ki te moi. Kei raro. Tera pe te krip te pū pai ake.
There's Kasim! Move it! We can't let Kasim get away!
Holy hicka, ma. Nade. Oh. Hidey, 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 hidey.
We need him alive!
I'm just softening him up.
Hurry up!
Oh. Can't kill him. No. Take down. Whoa. Left ult? Oh, human shield. Fight there, Nate. Left ult. Oh. Fight it up.
He's bolting! Keep on him! Jesus, this guy's fast! Go,
Okay.
go!
Get a Assassin's Creed. Oh. Oh.
Nowhere left to run.
Oh.
We can work some hard.
Hey, come on.
You're up, Mason.
Ah. Tōku nei huri. Oh.
Oh, wait.
Talishary errors in your life. You mess with the wrong people with it.
I just handle the money.
Tangata pai ahau.
I have
Te
no
rā,
idea where our
te option number one.
I don't think you understand the situation.
Oh.
Have rules. You have rules.
You took hostages. The rules changed.
Can't stop, don't you? Me pai ake mātou o me kaha ki te... Kia amu ia ki a mātou. Tēnā morua.
Wait. He's in Turkey. He's meeting someone in Trabzon airfield tomorrow night.
This Arash. Ooh, through.
I swear I don't know. They only communicate with coded messages.
Oh, please! I told you he would talk. Do you throw him off? Capture him? You're throwing him. God!
One down, one to go. I get the next.
Tira pia ko tēnā te mea pai? Paiake?
Rush is in trap zone, Turkey.
Cold, aren't they? E aua. I don't know. 18 hours later?
Kasim is out of the picture.
How long before we get
You
Arash?
can kind of dictate the
The
story,
team arrived
kind
in
of.
Turkey a few hours ago. They should be in
You could have
position
took him as
shortly.
like a hostage, but Carl. Oh, ko tēnei mea, ki te au I tēnei, I tēnei mea, āhua pērā I Fast and Furious. Reminds me of one of those,
Airfield's
the
just
last
up
scene
ahead.
on one of the Fast and Furious is where
Go
they,
find this shithead.
when they're fighting on the runway for ages. Longest runway in NZ. Oh, we got a sniper, Fano. We got a sniper. What are we up
Mason,
to?
check it out.
Binoculars? Oh,
Any sign of Arash?
yes.
That's not him.
It's not
No. Incoming truck. Left side.
you know? This side?
Get eyes on it, Mason. Arash might be in the truck.
Yeah. Titiruki on the kakahu. Got a tiger on his. Oh,
He just diced everyone in the truck. That's gotta be Arash. Hold fire. We need a positive ID. That's our man.
they taking him out? Ooh. Oh, we must. Poor kitty. Oh, that's the bird. Oh, jump in the car. Jump on the waka. Taraka. Chirazu, kia ora my bro, how are you? Playing some campaign today, cuz. Nah, I can't even see ya. Can we shoot, bro? Hey, come on. Can we shoot? Oh, oh, oh. What's this Fast and Furious? I told you it's like Fast and Furious. Can we shoot these fellas first? Oh! I had to shoot him faster. It is way too hot. Yeah, yeah. It is wetter here. Hot is. Can you help with sheesh? Yeah, just shoot the car out. What is slowing down there? he's trying to get away. Shoot! Do we shoot this? Use. Oh. Oh, I pushed 3. Yeah. I'm pretty close to getting my sniper gold. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, it's double XP at the moment too. Eh? Just need one more like level and then come. Yeah, double kills. Nice, nice. Shoot. Oh. No. Shoot. 3. Accelerate, steer, shift to boost. Okay.
Pick up the landing gear. Get under the plane.
What? Under the plane? Woo! Boost! Wow. I swear I came way far, like way back, really? Oh. I'm probably shooting still. Oh. Ouch. That'll be my mic. That'll be sore. I'll play this until about 6 and then jump on for another couple hours on multiplayer if you're keen to. This reminds me of the end of 2 campaign. Oh no.
You got a rush.
Kind of.
Free the hostages when you had the chance.
Hostages. It was never about the hostages.
Ooh. Trying to be a sneaky guy.
His plan is already underway. You won't be able to stop him this time.
Stop who?
Perseus.
Bullshit. Perseus is dead.
Dead. All this time and you didn't even know. Perseus will watch the West.
Ooh. Hide it up, brother. Later, boat. Hide it
Let's
up.
sweep the tarmac for survivors and get to Langley.
Who the fuck is Perseus?
(1943).
No, we left around.
Detailed information from the Manhattan Project was stolen from Los Alamos by the Russian spy known as Perseus. 1968, Vietnam War. Viet Cong soldiers, orchestrated by Perseus, attempted to steal an American-made nuclear
Perseus.
bomb from a U.S. firebase. 5 days ago, while on a mission, we acquired intel that Perseus is in play again and planning an attack on the West.
Oh, so there's a guy.
Perseus. The CIA's analysts consider him to be the single largest threat to the free world.
Why do you look like that fella from Transporter?
We're all
Statham.
aware of
Jason
Perseus.
Statham. Statham?
We're
Statham.
also aware he's more myth than fact. I mean, personally, I think he's nothing more than the Russian boogeyman.
General Haig, allow me to introduce the man
So I'm right, like the
responsible.
cinematics are just in the 1080,
CIA,
1920
Clandestine
1080
Special
kind of
Officer,
resolution.
Russell
But when
He's
we
one of the
get
few
into
people
the
who've come
gameplay,
close to
it
capturing
stretches out to my ultra wide.
Mr.
So
Adler,
if you're confused
why
why
should
these
we
like
take
black
this
bars left, right, and
Perseus
center,
threat
up
seriously?
and down, or not center,
don't
left,
have to,
right,
sir.
up and down. It's because I got
Yeah,
I'm playing on
and
ultra
a
wide.
lot of innocent people are gonna die. Why do you say that?
Supposed to get that full immersion experience, especially in campaign modes like this.
After 13 years of silence, if he's active, something big is gonna happen. Something that will affect the free world.
President. Someone of high caliber. The rangatira, if you will.
Mr. President, this is Jason Hudson and Russell Adler.
I know their names. Who do
Oh,
you
yeah,
think
it is-
approved their last mission? Is the threat real?
Yes, sir, we believe it is.
Can you stop Perseus?
We can,
Tēnā
sir.
koe hua,
We've
kua
already submitted the
whakarangatira e
requisition for
koe.
details.
Āna, ke te āhua
Their requests are
whakauau
highly
i te reo
irregular,
Māori i roto i
most
tēnei
likely
a
illegal if the press gets a hold
tēnei
of it.
taho tōku nei kēmu,
You know who we are?
taku nei tākoro rānei, i te rānei, brother.
Plausible
Just
deniability
adding in te reo
is the
Māori
backbone of
as
our
I play the
work.
campaign as well, brother.
We're talking
Tēnā
about
koe rei,
preventing
my
an
bro, how are
attack
you?
on the free men and women of the world. Give Mr. Adler whatever he wants. Gentlemen,
I'm also streaming this on YouTube, so if you're watching on
given an
YouTube
important
and
task,
I'm like talking to chats because I'm
protecting
streaming
our
at the
very
same
way of
time.
life from
So yeah,
evil.
apologies for that. It's
There
not your
is no higher
normal
duty.
first
There is
walkthrough
no
on the
higher
campaign.
And while few people will know of your struggles, rest assured, the entire free world will benefit.
Free world of
I know you won't fail us.
Imagine how upset everyone would be if there was Trump here.
This is Hudson.
How long until we have a lead on Perseus?
They're about to get started. Adler's in West Berlin. He should be at the safe
E
house
pai ana
soon.
ke te whakarite au i tōku karai he mo i.
I'm not the one you should be
Āti
asking,
game.
Black.
Ka pai, brother,
What
ka
about
pai.
his team?
It's a strong group. He chased down Sims, Azalea, even pulled some strings to get Helen Park
Ko
from
mahi nui
MI6.
mō
We'll
mō
get
tau
the
a
Mason
reanga
in Woods soon.
o ahura,
I'm not
ne?
so sure about Park.
She and Adler have that business from before. Of course he wants her there.
And the new one.
Bell? No, don't get me started.
Bell.
That's the one we need to keep our eyes on.
So we've got a classified mission, whānau. Oh, is this my name? Oh. Pride Land Stalking o tuatai. Tōku ngā whānau, or my last name, let's just put it as Ariki, eh? Kumara nei Ariki, eh? Place of birth. Oh, kaore tai e te whakamahi a whanganui. Wanganui la rānei. Can't do Wongas. Oh, Africa. Te hea tō mātou nei kāinga. Tērā pēr ko Australia. Koina te mea tino tataki a mātou. Skin tone. Hika. Māori koe te skin tone, ne? Me Māori mai. Te mea tō no. Sixth one. Occupation. Clan. Shit. Operative. Gender. He tāne mātou, ne? Non-binary. Oh, they actually put non-binary in. Dude, that's crazy. This non-binary thing is becoming like real popular or favored by a lot of people around our around the ao or around the world. Hey, go ma, engari tēnei rā. Classified? Atai te classified? Ko. He tāne mātou, ne? Military background. Hika. M16. KGB. CIA tonu. Hika mā no ahita reiria mātou I roto I te CIA. Well, from Australia but in the CIA. After submarines, Bell joined. Psychological. Wait, is this for us? Oh yeah, so alias is Bell. Ko Bell mātou ne, ko rā tō mātou ingoa, engari, ko nei tō mātou ingoa matua me ki. Violent tendencies, lone wolf, fearless? Oh, hey come on, there's so many options. Foam worker, no, we don't want to hit fire. Damage taken when stationary reduced by 30. Always last to leave the fight. Rate of fire increase. It could be relentless, Fano. Weapon kick reduced. Pain flinch reduced. Outstanding mental image. A highly effective agent when focused. So we're gonna get more life on this, I guess. Well, flinch is just like from flinching when you're getting shot at, right? Oh yeah, there's health increase. Wakaurunga te hate te. O te reo. Highly resourceful adaptable to an environment situation. Ko te tumanako kia whakarahi ake I tōku maha e whakapāwa nei o te reo Māori. Yeah. So we are hoping at the moment, there's a couple of us in Ngāti Gaming that we want to stream more into Te Reo Māori, or more Te Reo Māori streams like full immersions, incorporate more full immersion language in our streams, or sections in our stream segments. Highly lethal? Damage reduced. That sounds good, eh? Full movement speed. Oh, bullet damage. This is I think we might go rate of fire. We want a high rate of fire, right? I don't know. There's too much of thing to choose from, so. Oh, we get two. Okay, so. Damn it, we can't change that one. That one, what's relentless? Fixated on accomplishing the mission. Okay. We might get bullet damage. Oh, reliable on execution, execution on results. Maybe not that. Full movement ADS, I like that one with fearlessness. Receive explosive damages. Some ammo capacity. Lethal intent to increase. Ooh. Okay, we're getting reloaded. Reloading behavior. Hard. Why not? Let's stay. F. Confirm. Once you come in, you're now allowed to change your character's personal profile. Confirm. Let's go. Aroha. Motaku here if they took so long.
Bell.
Sorry if they took so long.
Welcome to West Berlin. We've got a job to do. Mark.
Adler. Bell.
Bell. Koina tōku tomato ingoa. That's our name, eh? Bell. Is that the Pope?
There's been a surge in Russian chatter in the last 48 hours. CIA and the DOD.
Wow, this is Skux.
Sources for anything
This is me now.
So far, there are no leads on Perseus.
MI6 has come up empty-handed as well.
Sims. Lazar.
We'll have to start somewhere.
Ooh, Burger King. Hungry
Going
Jacks.
back here. Vietnam, 1968. One of our closest encounters with Perseus.
Oh, Perseus Theater.
Some part of me always knew that mission wasn't done with us.
Pull up everything we've got on the attack in Da Nang and run it past Park. She'll cross-reference it with MI6.
We're looking for code names, encrypted transmission, Russian activity with NVA, anything that could be a lead.
Good.
Bell, this is where you come in. We needed the best of the CIA and SOG. That's exactly why I requested you again. Head to the evidence board. We'll retrace our steps through Da Nang. Anything that could give us a lead on Perseus.
Lead on Perseus. Use this evidence board to select the next mission. Replay previous missions. Examine evidence. When you see this icon, new evidence. Okay, the pin icon gives us new evidence available. Is this your next mission? Okay. Mission evidence. Me pono, eh? I'll be honest, I don't know if I want to read all this. Keep in one sweeping out of another hand. Never part of the knife after that incident, and now hangs on the board. Good luck charm? Okay. Exit. You see who this man is. Central Intelligence Agency. That's CIA. Oh, that's us. CIA knows here. A little till the figure that is the person records actions date back to World War II. Damn. Russell Adler from Emerson Black. So I think we go back here to start a mish. Oh wait, there's evidence down here. Oh, Hika. What a home way. Wasn't Javadi. We got this fella right. Eliminated. Oh yeah, we've checked those ones on hardened. Creates a black market 1911s. Oh, he's moving guns. Matches? Okay. Our next mission is up here. I don't know if we got any leads on that. Not that I read it all, but
we're going back to Vietnam. First time Perseus pinged our radar. It was late January '68. We were a joint CIA-SOG task force embedded within the 3rd Marine Regiment near Da Nang. SOG was there to sniff out Soviet activity. Word had it, Russian operatives were active in the region.
Perseus had no known presence in Vietnam.
That changed at Da Nang. Somehow Perseus knew about Operation Fracture Jaw.
Fracture Jaw? That one sure went sideways.
We launched out of Camp Haskins.
Yeah, I'll never forget that shit.
Good. We want those memories. No details too small. A face, a name. We're looking for anything that can lead us to Perseus.
This feels like looking for a needle in a haystack, in a field of haystacks.
Maybe, but that needle's somewhere. Remember, we had a job to do.
Just loading in now.
Fracture Jaw. That one sure went sideways.
Bell, it's time to wake up. It's great time.
What's your face? M16, classic gun. That's cool.
Welcome to another day in the life of Camp Haskins, our little oasis in the middle of this godforsaken shitstorm. You're pretty safe.
These missions?
Hey, Butcher, how's the arm?
Still hurts like hell, but at least I can move it.
Whare he hea kia pakuru ai te pūrākau, nā reira, mute. Kia ora e o taku he my bro. So yeah, spoiler alert whānui, spoiler alert. I should have put that in the title. Engari ka marama ahau e hoa. I understand my bro, I understand. Pohea I te moe ia. I thought he was asleep.
Hey Sims, you know reading that shit's gonna make you go blind.
Yep. That's why I want it all up here.
Well, you're with Sims. You usually bring out the best in each other. We got a new assignment.
E haere ana mata ki Vietnam. Oh, kei Vietnam rānei macho. We're going to Vietnam or we're in Vietnam, right?
The kind you don't ask about. Ripcord has been taking a hell of a beating, so it's our job to secure the asset and get the fuck out. Relax, we got fast flyers providing combat air support for this mission. It'll be a walk in the park.
Headsets on.
All birds, check in when ready. Badger 9-1, good to go.
Is the volume too loud?
Badger 9-2, clear to go. Badger 9-3, rotors up.
The volume levels look good on my side. In terms of game sound. Tell me if it's too loud for you, Fano.
Oh man, Adler. Why do I get the feeling you about to give us some bad news?
Because you're a smart guy, Sims. The news isn't bad. In fact, it could be very, very good. The asset of Ripcord is gonna have to wait a little
Kia ora
while.
koutou e noho ana I roto I tō tātou nei kāho. Kia ora everyone that's given us the lurk today on the stream. Appreciation.
A Soviet operative known as Perseus. Oh, shit. Appreciate the enthusiasm, Sims. If our source is right,
Give me a jam on that gun, cousin.
an Intel gold mine.
No.
First time
It's on the Karus, eh? Bright.
Approaching the village now.
Oh, he, kei. Kei rungara. Oh, yeah. We on this one.
RPG! Hooked up, let him up. There, in the bell tower.
That's all? Oh, RPG. What is the RPG? Oh. Get him. Oh, here. Oh, there. Oh! No way. Black Hawk down.
Let's do it.
I'm out. Yeehaw! Let's go. You're missile.
I've got contact. You sure about the Atlas? The street is exactly empty.
Our priority is securing any intel. Our stars eyeballed the Soviets at a building in the center of town.
Oh, you going up top? Fun? Taking the high route. Oh, you've got. Ooh. Buddy. Oh! 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 Oh, underneath the Mahia. I might tear up. Give me that. Give me that. Oh. Vai a ter nem que eu sou doido. Oh, gonna bullets. Get these guys. we got no bullets. Oh! Oh, shucks. Cousin got any bullets though? Oh, it's full auto on this?
Your priority is securing any intel.
Oh shit! I don't even see him. Oh shucks. Why is this round so harder? Oh shit. Friendly fire. Sorry, what? Sorry, friend.
Your priority is securing any intel.
Sims. Holy hell, did he just...
Our source eyeballed the Soviets at a building in the center of town.
Let's go, pal. You're on point.
This way?
They're getting around us.
Yeah.
Keep pushing forward. Getting close.
Oh! Ah, that was Mama. That was Saul. Oh!
Keep your heads down. We got this.
What is... Oh! We need ammo. Oh, boy. This ain't gonna help, cousin.
Okay, get inside. See what we got.
Go, Bell. Right behind.
Oh! Be careful. Ooh, melee. Oh, what the knifey to the throat, bro. Knife to the throat.
It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. You hear that? It's on you, Bell. Open the door. Adler, we confirmed it. Soviets on site.
You sure?
Well, I'm staring at two bodies that sure as hell don't look Vietnamese to me. Bell, grab that comms log. Let's see who the fuck they've been talking to.
See? Let's see.
Mission accomplished. We have the intel. Let's bug out.
Good work. Hang on to that intel. We're coming in to pick you up. All right, let's go rejoin the Armada and get this fucking asset.
Badger still under heavy fire.
Oh,
BC
got
are
him.
breaching the perimeter. What is your status?
We're inbound now, Ripcord. Get that asset ready for transfer.
Roger that, 901. We'll keep the assets
Hadi
safe
get
as long
up,
as we
get
can.
in.
Ripcord out.
I'm going.
Badger 901,
Oh,
in the
no
air.
way. Space is in.
BC are all over the mountains. No sense here. All targets are valid. Tear them up, Bell. Target behind.
Oh, it's there though. Look, we just munching him. Oh. Nawakas. Nawaka. Fight. Are they trying to abort?
Badger 901, we have confirmed the visual on an enemy bird headed your way.
Since when did the cog have
Bye.
birds? I know. Fucking Soviets. Take down that high. Yes. He got your ass 0.
Oh. Overheating. Others. What are some assistants? Good tracking practice from my keyboard and mouse. Oh, they've got any fucking rockets.
Good job, Bell. They sent that hind after us. They're pissed we got the intel.
Ripcord base, 20 seconds out.
Ripcord, this is Badger 901. We're on final approach.
Roger that,
The boats on the walker.
Watch yourselves. We'll do what we can to clear an LZ. Get the asset ready for transfer.
Roger that, Ripcord. Hell of good.
Oh, we missed the little walker on the right there. Shucks. I don't have my phone, eh? Oh, Motaku here.
I think you got it. Yeah, you got him. Good job, Bell. They sent that hind after us. They're pissed we got the intel.
Ripcord base, 20 seconds out.
Ripcord, this is Badger 901. We're on final approach.
Just a little hula here.
The base is still hot. Watch yourselves. We'll do what we can to clear an LZ. Get the asset ready for transfer.
Roger that, Ripcord. Fuck yeah!
We get him all?
Fuck yeah! Watch the cave! Bastards are dug in! Open fire!
Oh. It's fire base. Oh, there's caves. Oh, man, those here. Ooh.
Ultimate ground target! Pick them off, Bell! Good shooting, Bell!
Shooting bell? I'm driving in shooting. The rice fields.
BC convoy on the road! They got those supply trucks! Every one of them rearms the enemy!
One in the caves yet? There's the road.
Badger 901, this is Ripcord. You need to push back the BC reinforcements before we're overrun. Be advised, we have multiple birds in the air. Watch your fire.
Enemies dug in all around the hillside! We don't have a hope in hell of landing if we don't take out those positions! Light them up!
Hold them up, brothers.
Keep it up!
Badger 901, our scouts have identified a significant enemy force approaching from the south. Divert to intercept.
Roger that, Ripcord.
Where are you getting shot from? him up.
Badger 901, they're breaching the main gate. We can't hold out much longer.
Hold on, Ripcord. We're on our way.
Can't see, bro. Just ordering me. Now it says this. Where is he? Oh, he's down here.
Badger 901, you were clear to land. Copy that, Ripcord. Badger 901 setting down.
Oh, this is our base. This is where we came from. Ooh, base got hit hard.
The base is still
Potato,
hot, so
tomato,
watch
Klinga.
yourself.
This is our home.
Roger that, Ripcord.
You Adler? Mac V Sog?
This is Atomic War.
Yeah, just hurry the fuck up already.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank Bell. He's the one who just snagged us a fucking phone book full of Soviet intel. Let's go. Now.
Godspeed, Commander. A fucking nuke? Are you fucking kidding me, Adler?
It's a failsafe. That's all you need to know.
We that desperate already.
Not yet.
That's a nuke, right? We got the nuke.
Somehow Perseus knew.
Sims, Bell, you okay? You're okay. Fuck. Bell, let loose of that goddamn turret before we're overrun.
Bro, what an angle. I'm upside down.
We need air support.
Oh.
Bell, call it in. Grab a weapon. Keep them the fuck off us.
Gotta defend our position. Oh, there. I can't even see her. I'm so blind. It's not even funny.
Where's that air support?
Imagine just running towards us. Running towards machine gun. Can you pick it up, please?
Wait. Here it comes.
Oh.
Bell.
Oh
Still
shit.
with us?
I thought we died. Oh, here, matemato. I thought we died. Might have got partially hit from the grenade there. How did that bomb not go off?
You think we can call this a success, Sims?
At least the nuke didn't go off.
That's what I'm thinking, brother.
More importantly, we got intel on Perseus. Told you we had a job to do. It ain't done yet, not by a long way.
Yeah.
How did the memory exercise go?
Well, to hear it from Adler, it's working. Bell remembered finding that encrypted intel in Vietnam and is almost finished decoding it.
Anything useful in there?
Some names, apparently. Possible leads. Park is trying to connect the dots.
We don't have much time. Does the team know about our mishap in Berlin yet?
No, but if it's connected to one of those names from Bell, they'll find out soon enough.
You won't let that happen, Hudson. Don't say anything more than necessary.
Hudson.
That's never been a problem.
It's a Jason Statham looking guy, isn't it? Hudson. Statham. Got intel though. Okay.
We finished
He's
analyzing
on the
the names
ramen
well
noodles.
acquired at
Or
tonight.
frozen noodles. He's got
One
a
in
kaya.
particular stands out. Anton Volkov.
Ooh,
He's a Russian arms
chicken on
dealer
rice.
working out of East Berlin. Admittedly, his connection to Perseus comes as a surprise.
We've got killer capture orders on Volkov. So if we can't get to Perseus, we'll get to his men. Close off his resources, force him out of hiding. Mason and Woods are still wrapping up business in Kiev.
That's why you do it,
Which means Volkov is ours.
You just nod your
Gear
head
up,
like this.
and we'll move out.
Anna. Alright, let's check out board. Right.
MI6 has been tracking Volkov for 7 years. It is my strong preference that we attempt to capture rather than kill him. He holds answers to a great many questions.
Your preference has been noted, Agent Park.
Agent Park. What are you up to, Matua? Corridor. F to talk. F to corridor.
Nice work producing that name, Bell.
This is what I found at the name was in the archives. Did you see? Oh, so we were running through that village at the start. I must have magically picked up some nice files.
We archive everything. CIA is like my ex-wife. Won't throw a damn thing away. The trick is knowing what's buried in that pile and getting the thing you need when you need it.
Doc, I think you want this one.
Me?
You bound some checks again?
Collections?
Here to entertain me. You being funny? Did we not just go through this? Look, I could say so many things right now. No. Forget about it.
Oh.
It's good.
You saw a predator in the field. What do you know about Volkov? Why this guy's rich from you?
Shit. I tried to track that motherfucker years ago when he went to Italy for a douchebag conference. He's slick. If you see him, tell him Lawrence Sims says hello. Only when they tell me not to. This assignment, I'm mostly gonna run the shop. Whatever you guys need, I'll make sure you have it. You see, I got a list of connections longer than the Great Wall. Adler needs it, I can procure it. No exceptions.
It's the info, man. What do
I
they
guess we need more of that old school CIA blood with us. I mean, Park over there, she's cool, but she's not company, if you know what I mean.
She's not company?
Sure, I could get that. No problem.
Info? You call this a rifle?
Easy. I can have that in-house by next week.
That's because it's an engine attack helicopter. What are these
Clever.
questions?
But I wasn't joking earlier.
Yeah, how in the
That's a hell of a request, but give me enough time and I can have one parked outside.
Holy hell. I'll take it all.
Okay. Now how you gonna pay for that? Last I heard, Adler cuts the checks around here. Unless you got a suitcase full of cash, I'm gonna consider your request null and void. Come again.
So we go to him for our guns and that now? Talk to Matua Adler again? Wait, what has she got
That
to
intel you
offer?
found in Da Nang was treasure trove. Well, you tell me. After we dug it up, you spent 2 full hours decrypting everything inside. You
What?
seem to
When
think
did I do that?
Volkov was the name to pay attention to.
the one, I'm just realizing, hey, when did I do that? I decrypted all of the intel myself as the first option. Have a worked with Adler before? I
We
know.
have, for a short while.
We share a common interest. Though to be frank, he's not the most pleasant person I've worked with.
Agreed. I understood.
Are you feeling all right, Bell? That's one of the reasons we wanted you on this team. Not even the CIA's best cryptographers have been able to crack that dossier.
True.
You're special, Bell. But it also sounds like you need a nap. No more than you need to, I'll tell you that. Avoid personal questions. And whatever you do, never ask him about his scar.
Can I ask about the scar on his face? Holy hell.
Do you
We're gonna
think that
ask.
if I knew,
We're gonna ask.
I would tell you?
This is funny, because I was listening to the Taringa podcast today, and in one of the Once Upon a Time is in the story, he's saying like, there's a koro and a kid, and the koro's telling the story, but the kid keeps kind of asking questions while the koro's trying to tell the story, or he keeps asking questions until before he's getting to the point and stuff like that, and then his koro calls him he tangata pakiki koe, which is like a person that asks a lot of questions. So there's a kupuhau for you guys there, if he's one.
Born on the coast of Leningrad, never travels when the sun's out. He has impeccable taste in scotch and medieval torture devices. I think he'd love the UK. I plan on giving him a personal tour.
Alright, she's from the UK. So yeah, tangata pakiki, or he pakiki, person who asks a lot of questions.
You're cute. My pleasure.
What are these questions, bro? Alright, let's get to the missions. We'll do one more mission maybe, and then we'll switch over to multiplayer, or one or two. We'll see. Did you ever see Perseus? What was that call about? Okay.
Just some overdue library books. Those bastards won't let up.
Library books. What is that?
Did I ever see his face? No. That photo on the board is all we have, and it's more than 20 years old. Handsome man. I hope the years weren't kind to him. We'll leave within the hour.
We have to now. Can we go down here? Nope, we're locked. We're in the Wari Hiri Hiri. We're in a jail or something. Go to the board. Oh yeah, here we go. The optional side missions, Operation Red Circus, and Operation Chaos have been unlocked. What, these side missions now? Okay.
So listen up. An ex-CIA operative named Robert
There's something we have to decrypt. Aldrich. Decrypt floppy disk. Seems if we decrypt the prediction on this, we might be able to take down the entire spy ring. This is why we need your chassis. Special pieces of evidence that contain clues so that the spies are hidden. Okay, so we gotta kind of check every single corner and stuff to pick these up within the maps. Okay, okay. Is this more evidence? This year, lands. Pride lands Bel Araki recovered in the village. Pride lands Bel Araki. This is the intel we got, right? That's our next mission down here.
MI6 has spent the last year.
Concerts CIA. Major Vadim Rudnick. Oh, okay. He's collaborated with Perseus. Okay, okay. Operation Red Circus. Okay, so that's a side mission, and this is a side mission as well. Okay, but this is the main mission. We're gonna do one more main mission, and then we'll shut down this for the purpose of the run-throughs of the campaign run-throughs, and then we're getting some multiplayer, I think. Check us. Oh, kia ora, Cyphers. Check my bro. Sorry if I missed your or if I was a bit late to your comment, my bro. How are you today, my brother? Catching big fish. We're just jamming some campaign today, bro. We're gonna do a couple more missions or so, and then get into some multiplayer again. If you can't go over, go under. Okay. Oh, there's more. Lawrence keeps a few of these stocked in the safe for suspicious occasions. In case of East Berlin mission, he recommends keeping one handy during infiltration to the city. What is this, poison gun or just what is it? A non-lethal infiltration. I have no idea what that gun is, or if it's a gun or not. Some blueprints. Me bro, I'm all good, cuz. Nice, brother, nice. Just finished Mahi now? In time for gaming? Alright, let's launch this mission. Volkov. We're looking for Volkov.
Volkov heads the Russian mob that moved into East Berlin once the wall went up in '61.
This guy has connections to cartels throughout Europe and the Americas.
Neutralizing him will not only hurt Perseus, but the global syndicate. He's a big fish.
And here's our little fish, Franz Kraus. According to MI6, he's one of Volkov's information couriers. He has a drop with Volkov scheduled for tomorrow night.
We'll infiltrate East Berlin via the U-Bahn. The ghost station on the other side of the wall has the access point we need. From there, we'll watch Kraus as he enters the city. Once Volkov shows his face, it's killer capture.
Notice you have been streaming a lot lately, bro. It's me and Kev at the grind up. Yo, thank you, Cyphers. Yeah, I have been, bro. I've been trying to get a little schedule going, like at least Monday, Wednesday, Fridays at least. I used to have it in the stream because I was just wrecked, and I'm also at the moment focusing on posting content to other platforms, so like YouTube, Instagram, and stuff like that. Micro content as well, and long form content, just to help grow our audience. Because you know, Twitch itself, like to get discovered on there is like it's not that high, like to get discovered on there. And
the back car's clear.
I think we benefit more kind of growing in this kind of area of streaming and stuff like that if we expand to other platforms and bring other audiences in, if you get me. If that makes sense, my bro. So we're in Berlin at the moment, finally. Oh, parks here too.
As soon as the train slows down, you and I'll jump off. Park, Lazar, wait till the next station. Bell and I'll track down Kraus. All right. Train's slowing down. Let's go to work.
All right, here we go.
Pretty fast to me. Jeez.
Careful. East German guards still patrol these abandoned stations.
Sure. Not gonna get electric shocked if we hit
Patrol
that.
ahead. We can use a train to slip past.
Oh, there.
Move on the platform. Let's take them out apart. Careful.
Oh, I forgot how to body shield.
Ich seh mal nach. Da bist du ja.
Take it slow. Train coming. Get off the track.
Ich brauche Hilfe.
Oh, I killed him. Wrong gun. I'll run. Oh. Body shield too. Oh, I want that gun. Me, bro, wish I had the time to do that sort of stuff. It is what it is, but bro, yeah, hard. Just make the most of our time, bro. That's all it is. Thank
Come
you for
on.
stopping in, my
This is
bro.
the way out.
I appreciate your time. Na, me hielt ja weer, brother. Thank you.
Hey! Shit! Was ist hier los?
Ich arbeite für Revan. Ich suche über meinen Ausweis.
Das ist
Papa.
Sperrgebiet. Sie sind verhaftet. Runter auf den Boden.
Halt. Beruhigen Sie sich. Now!
Was zum...
Nice work. Let's clean this up.
Kijk hem neer. Dumping bodies. Ding.
Kraus should be coming through the checkpoint soon. Let's get to the rooftop.
Under the stealthy mission.
Park, Lazar. We're almost in position.
Copy that.
Come on, this way.
I think that which one was body shielding. Well,
Careful of the spotlight.
Überall.
They know how to lock a place down, I'll give them that.
Sure do. Gotta go now, Cosmo. I'll keep your tape up, bro. Have a good stream. I'm my bro. Thank you. All good, my bro.
Keep
Thank
an
you
eye
for
on that
fucking them, bro.
checkpoint.
Appreciate
Kraus
the
will be
tape.
coming through any time. Look for Kraus with your camera. Damn. Security's even tighter than usual. If they detain Kraus, he could miss his meeting with Volkov. Near the checkpoint. Man with the briefcase. Is that him? No. Good job. That's our man. That's Kraus. On me.
It's a man. Of course, he's got a moustache.
Park. Kraus just crossed the wall. What's your status?
Lazar and I are at the exfil point, awaiting your arrival.
Roger that. Our intel says Kraus and Volkov will meet at the bar across the street. Meet Hudson's contact inside. She'll have a blue umbrella. I'll stay out here and watch the street.
Oh my god. What's up?
Bell, the contact's waiting for you at the bar.
Oh, look at that security room. Give me a number.
Bell, look for the blue umbrella.
Ah, pull on umbrella.
Wie schön, dass Sie es geschafft haben. Krause is at the table over my right shoulder.
Guten Abend, mein Herr. Was darf ich Ihnen bringen?
Eine Berliner Weiß. Audio is loud and clear. Now we wait for Volkov.
Hudson didn't reveal much. He said you're after Volkov.
What do you know about the career? The police are unloved.
Who knows? The man's like a ghost. I would guess no more than a day.
I know about the career.
One of my informants was picked up in a random sweep just 2 blocks from here. The Stasi must assume they are more nearby.
Stasi. Oh, that's why
I
that
would
chick
ask
is
a
on.
favor of you. He will not hold up under torture for long. We need him rescued. Or silenced. They're holding him here. Dankeschön.
Danke. Yeah, when I was in Germany, that we learned that word danke. That's like thank you. I don't know what danke schön. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh.
Kraus is ex-Stasi, so don't let his wholesome appearance
Stasi.
fool you. The man is a killer.
Heads up, Bell. I think Volkov is walking in. Louis, Volkov.
You can't bother to kill Ted.
Bell, we've got trouble. There's 2 Stasi entering the bar. Get out of there, now!
Scheiße. Go through the bathroom. I'll hold them off.
Get out of there, brother.
Team, new plan. Meet outside Kraus's apartment. He's still our ticket to Volkov.
Oh, dude.
Öffnen Sie die Tür! Sofort!
Plus spew in his ring.
Hören Sie mich! Machen Sie die Tür auf!
Can we go inside or something?
Schließen Sie augenblicklich diese Tür auf!
What's happening? What's happening?
Ich befehle Ihnen, sofort
Oh, here.
rauszukommen! Aufmachen! Stasi!
Oh, my bad.
Öffnen Sie die Tür! Sofort!
Stay hidden to avoid detection. Innisby lit to when the icon is flashing red. Okay.
Ich wohne gleich oben den Platz da
I'm
droben.
gonna need more time.
Wir waren auf dem Heimweg.
Rally up with Lazar Park without me. I'll update you when I can.
Bei meinem Freund. Wir hatten ein paar zu viel in der Kneipe.
Wie weit?
Schon gut, schon gut. Sie können meine Wohnung von hier aus sehen.
Ich warte nicht noch einmal!
Wait, do I kill him? Oh, pick lock. Here. Let's rotate lock.
Careful, Bell. The Stasi are everywhere.
Silent killer.
Ist er weg? Vielen Dank. Ich bleibe, glaube ich, so lange hier, bis die Stasi weg ist.
Who's talking?
Meet me in the building across from your current position. Keep a low profile. We already have enough trouble.
Camera. Is that right? One.
Sehe so etwas. Was, Berger?
There we go. So we know where they are. Alright, is that right now? Oh.
Dann machen wir es auf die harte Tor.
Park, give me a sit rep.
I'm in a storefront facing Kraus's apartment. He just got home. You?
The Stasi are combing the area. I need to lay low. I'll catch up with you when the heat dies down. Bell, get to Park and Lazar ASAP.
There's hardly anybody, eh?
Besser. Please. I told you. I'm not who you think I am.
Encrypted. Oh shit! How does one not know it's him?
You. I've seen your picture.
More evidence?
They're looking for you.
Mr. Brio's hostage. Ooh. What happened?
I've been monitoring a nearby KGB field house. I don't know how they found me. I've done everything by the book.
You're a killer. You can shoot him? How long have you been for?
What did that paper say? You can't trust these people.
Be the one who did vocal for.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Please, just let me return to my children.
Wait. Okay, I'll reach.
Thank you for
the lady
saving my life. I'll be waiting to hear from you.
Okay, so rescue the bro. What's the focus on this about?
Was zur Hölle? Da hat's einen erwischt. Was zur Hölle?
Shit, I was supposed to move his body, I think. Yeah, I was. Need to move him. Oh no. Why they look the same though? They did others. Oh.
Bist du ja.
Where am I going, bro? Wait, I'm back at the start. Oh. No. shit. Oh, what the hell? What just happened? Can't go back up there? Alright. Shucks. Hey. Oh. Wait, should we bring this body in? Yeah, I'm paranoid as hell. Not gonna lie. Pretty paranoid. Ikaka. Oh, that's Lizzo.
Good work.
Wow, I totally went past it.
Follow me.
Sneak under thinking it through. Ooh, should we done a challenge? I knew there was like some challenge to stay stuff.
Don't want the locals ratting us out. Park's in the electronics store right across the street from Krause's place. I was gonna pick her up some knackwurst from the brown bar, but closed already. Park is just up ahead.
So funny that I went past the main mission. Ended up doing a whole loophole. Not a loophole, a whole loop.
We're back.
A car pulled up near Krause's building a few minutes ago, but I didn't have a good angle to... Just a moment. Krause is on
Maybe they
top.
show us the extra intel we need to find, so it's not that hard to find.
Bell, get eyes on Krause.
Hey, are we gonna play this right now? SpaceX This guy's like jammed some. Oh. Oh. What the hell? What the hell is this? Casually jam some of this, eh? Or we. Oh. How many lights we got? Infiltrate the apartment. Okay, that's enough.
The Stasi are stopping everyone. Be careful. Bell, I saw Krause writing in the ledger. See if you can find it. Bell, if you're spotted by Krause or his wife, the mission is over.
So you go up.
You can track the wife if you have to, but Krause must go to the meeting. I'm about to phone Krause's apartment. Get ready to enter.
Did the trunk someone?
Nice work. Now find the briefcase. She'll be out for hours. Clean it up.
Oh, stage body. Take it to the bed. Oh, he put on here. Okay. Yeah, I'll say laying down surely. Nice. Looking for a briefcase.
Ada, suchst du mir meinen Schirm? Ich gehe in ein paar Minuten.
Mama, ich finde meine Decke nicht.
Shit, we missed the kid.
Papa, kommst du?
Kraus is leaving his office. Hide.
Putz dir die Zähne. Ich komm gleich rauf.
Don't let Kraus see you.
Ja, klar.
I'll take this. Gee, I'm scared. Did it go down?
Papa, ich bin fertig.
I've lost sight of Kraus every time he enters that room. Have a look around. You're running out of time. Find the briefcase.
Where's that one? Briefcase. Secret room. Let's go.
I've lost your visual. Bell, have you found the briefcase? Understood. Just plant the tracker and get out of there.
Plant tracker. What the? Oh, two. Oh. Hey, you would have heard it come in, right? Oh no. You got caught, Fana.
You allowed him to break into your fun. I can't explain how he got to the material. But I brought him to you.
This lady was just talking to.
That makes this much less unpleasant for you. Perseus has been looking for this one.
Then you let Perseus know I captured it. We have Greater Killer as well. Her own colleague ratted her out.
You spineless
Oh,
piece
he
of shit.
read it?
I'm sorry, can I tell you? KGB's pockets are deeper.
Oh, that's why we could have killed him. Oh, right.
Perseus has a large bounty on your head.
True. We'll say the naughty word for now. The kanga, the swear word.
She gets it easy.
Oh.
Do not tempt me to bring out my toys. I will ask again. Who do you work for? I don't care about your questions. Unfortunately
difficult
for you,
guy.
it seems these friends of yours have other places to be, comrade. I could probably make use of you, but you are damaged goods.
Oh, these are friends.
Что такое?
Get up, get up. Yeah, friends, it literally came.
I'll secure the case.
And now Yamato,
Get
what?
Volkov.
Oh, try to roll like Rocco. Hey, running. Deu uma quick here. Oh, give me this sucker. So blind, bro. What about it? Oh. Oh. It confused me. He must have unjumped over because our man went forward. Shucks. QBZ. Oh. Where you going, cousin?
So.
Kachenko.
At last. Bell, on behalf of MI6, thank you. Volkov is ours.
You're welcome.
More than he deserves. Let's get the hell out of this building.
It's my honor.
Information from Volkov confirms our worst fears. Perseus smuggled a nuclear device through East Berlin.
We can't be certain of that yet.
He has it. I'm sure of it.
We found encrypted geo-coordinates with Volkov's nuclear intel. An unpopulated region within the Soviet Republic of Ukraine.
An aerial recon run revealed this.
I want to know everything that's going on inside this building. We'll need the others for this one. Mason and Woods will join us from Kiev. Bell, you'll infill here with Woods. Mason and I will be standing by for an extract. Park will handle comms. We have no idea how large or prepared their forces will be, so use discretion if you have to engage. It's time we took a peek behind the Iron Curtain.
The Iron Curtain. Bell. Probably lands hard if some cracks here.
I'm not picking up any extra chatter. You're in the clear, Woods.
Copy that, Park. Stay on comms. Keep Mason and Adler on standby. Let's go. Bell, we need to move.
The base is just over the next ridge. Get in, learn what you can, and get out.
Shit, Park. We plan to stay a while. See the gulag.
Do that after we learn what
Seen the gulag, my brother.
Look at that monster. Reds could be hiding anything inside. Snap a picture. Ops want to see this. Right. Time to get our hands dirty.
tag him up.
Photo op's over.
Photo ops over. High and low. Let's go high.
Two more out of the truck.
Ouch. Oh.
Nice and clean. Take point and head down the slope. I'll hang back and cover.
Snap pictures of anything that looks important. Maps, blueprints, whatever you can find.
That's blueprint. Okay.
Look for anything that might be useful.
Wasn't even
Move into
focused.
the base. Find a way into the main building. I'll trail and disable the perimeter alarm.
Ничего необычного.
Got you covered. Shit. Patrol's approaching my position. They'll find a way in. I'll follow around.
6 days is to focus. Holy. It's actually focus. Autofocus? Oh, that's on.
Ничего необычного.
No. Damn. I thought I was gonna hit you. Oh.
Find a way into the main building. I'll trail and disable the perimeter alarm.
Мне нужно подкрепление.
Quick thinking.
Where did he come from?
Shit. Patrol's approaching my position. They'll find a way in. I'll follow around.
Я посмотрю.
You reckon I'll fall forward or back? Hopefully back.
Мне нужно подкрепление. Что за черт? Здесь тело. Нужно подкрепление!
No.
Мне нужно...
Cover me, brother.
Then lay low. They're sending a chopper to your position.
Oh.
Stay in the shadows. Keep moving.
Useless.
If you're spotted, it's over. I'm picking up a lot of radio chatter. They're looking for you, Bell. But I've still no word from Woods. Move fast and get inside.
trying to pick locks right now, buddy. What the hell? Oh! Fuck!
You're welcome. You lost something.
Shucks.
Bell found us a way inside. but we
Sure,
don't got a
cuzzy,
lot of
how's this
time.
game stream going? All good, cuz. Just jamming a bit of campaign today, bro. For now, just gonna finish this mission and get onto some multiplayer. How are you today, my bro? Thanks for clocking in today, my man. First campaign I've ever played since
Guards
MDub
down
2.
below. I'll move to the lower deck and engage on your mark.
Wait, what did he say?
All right, I'm set. All clear. Moving up.
Sorry for missed your message, or if I was a bit late on your message, brother. Wataku here, brother. Wataku here. Me and Tails, boys. No. Some cool
Be
stuff
ready.
missions so
Be
far.
1,000 reds on the other side
I
of this
stuffed it
door.
up on early on this one though. Not stealthy at all.
Cover me.
Cover you?
Not a fucking word, Bill.
What a
What the hell is this place? It's a Spetsnaz training course. Made to look like fucking Anytown, USA.
Oh yeah, Burger Town.
Get a picture of that bell. Oh shit, they're starting. Fuck, let's move!
Let's move, brother.
They want a live fire
Sharon's
drill?
timed out
Let's hook these
Contender
fuckers
for
up.
300 seconds. Oh. Oh, what do we do? Ah.
Understood. Just учение. Повторяю, это не учение. Incoming grenade.
Oh, did they see us? Oh,
Shit, cover me!
Frags. Tomahawk. Ooh. Oh, did I stuff that up? Oh, stuff this mission up again. Attention, that's what I get.
Смотрю. Они обходятся. Ищу укрытие. Russian vehicle inbound.
Russian vehicle?
Incoming grenade. Grenade out.
There is.
And where those fuckers run off to? Cover me!
Really?
Watch out! Contact on the rooftops!
Oh, oh. Tomahawk? Where's the Tomahawk? Oh no! Yo, what's up, Big Bro? Yo, thank you for the loot, man. Thank you, my guy. How are you today, my boy? Hold on, just calm down.
See that control tower? Head that direction.
Trying to run.
Move up.
You're shooting.
That elevator leads straight to the control tower.
Tomahawk's in there. What elevator? So my guy, I'm good. How and you? Yeah, I'm good, my bro. Just having a bit of campaign for the first time ever since MW2. Oh wait, we come from
that
here.
elevator. Grenade. That guy looks like a handful.
Oh. Oh. Whoa. This is an actual juggernaut. Yeah, bro, I'm good though, my guy. I'm good. We're just chilling, bro. Big chilling. The juggy, eh? Maybe I need nades. Okay, I can restart mission.
Grenade. Let's go. That guy looks like a handful. Grenade, find cover.
Oh fuck. Cooking my nades too long, god damn it. Otaku here. Otaku kanga kanga. Sorry for the language, guys. Oh there, I'm gonna pick up a Krieg, that'll help. Holy hell. That'll cover Krieg. Bang these frags. What else we oh yeah, RPG, here we go. Oh, no,
Head to that elevator.
a Hoyer.
Grenade. That guy looks like a handful.
No! Holy hell. What kind of cover is that, my guy? Okay, looks like we need to blow up some tanks or something around him. Grab that, grab the frags, ammo, shoddy.
Head for that elevator.
Hellington.
Grenade. Looks like a handful. Grenade, find cover.
No! He's warbanging me, surely. God damn it. You're already gonna do some more homework? Oh yeah, all good, my man. Safe as. Wow, you're a beast on that homework there, my guy. On top of it, ain't you? Maybe do I camp on that just behind him?
Head for that elevator.
Oh, maybe we just run to the elevator and like. Yeah, let's try that. Jump it.
Grenade. You motherfucker. That guy looks like a handful.
actually shoot through that thing. God damn. It's not it. This is not it, cousin. What do we do here? What do we do here? Is it M16 or something down here, I think? Do we shoot these barrels? Do they blow up?
Grenade! That guy looks like a handful.
Need to move into these. I think that's it. The helmets can be destroyed. Aim for the. Oh, okay, so we're gonna shoot the helmet off. I think. Is that the go? Is it? I'm gonna keep this. Okay, somehow we have to shoot the helmet off.
Grenade! Let's move! That guy looks like a handful. Keep the pressure on!
Oh, we got him.
Heads up. Reinforcements. Elevator.
What are these puzzles look?
Move it.
Oh, we got him. Okay, so we just had to shoot the helmet off. God damn it. Smack you in the dome. Where's our button? Here we go.
Bell, I'm picking up a ton of radio chatter.
That was the biggest challenge in the campaign.
Kind of live fire
Playing on veteran,
Place is crawling with Reds. We're still
veteran
looking
or
for intel.
veteran
Bloody hell.
difficulty at the moment. It's not as high as I thought,
Sounds mad. Does she sound mad?
which is probably why these two more levels higher. Assassin. I'm an assassin, brother.
Looks like their command center. Come on. Jackpot, Computer Central. Let's see what the Reds are really up to. Bell, hop on that terminal. Start poking around.
Any extra files for me to take? Nah.
Welcome to the Soviet People's Warfare Analysis Arc.
Can I read Russian though? KGB Operation Greenlight Tactical Urban Combat System Operation.
Operation Greenlight. Restricted access.
What the fuck is Operation Greenlight? Bell, can you hack into that?
Carl, that's what I would say. No.
Of course there's a password. Look around. These Reds ain't that smart. Maybe there's something on the desk.
Restricted access.
That's right there.
What about Stalin's greatest hits? Nice.
This is Russian. How do we know this? I guess when you're this elite in the CIA.
We confirmed it. The nuke smuggled out of Berlin is a Greenlight asset. It's one of ours.
If that gets out,
No one will know. Not even Adler's team. The stakes are too high.
high is an understatement. We're talking about.
Do you even want it? Oh, here.
I'm grabbing a copy. This doesn't make any sense. Perseus infiltrated a CIA nuke program, codenamed Operation Greenlight, run by Hudson.
Oh, run by Hudson?
Stolen nuke is American, and Hudson fucking knew. Shit, time to go.
Unauthorized access.
Hudson seen this up?
Park! Hudson lied to us. He fucking lied to us.
What are you talking about?
Talking about Greenlight. That's what Perseus is after. And Hudson has his fingerprints all over it.
Once you're breaking up, just get the hell out of there.
Alright, we'll find our way up. Whoa.
That APC is gonna tear us apart.
Got some cover, bro. Oh, I didn't mean. Alright, just move fast. Okay.
Once you're breaking up, just get the hell out of there.
Oh, shit! That APC's gonna tear us apart. Use the facades as cover. Don't stop for a minute.
Oh, run. Hey! One more. Hey! Run, boy!
Up ahead! They're trying to...
Oh yeah, hey, what is this though?
Let's go! Cover me! Cut down!
What, Bell? What's your status?
It just went from bad to worse.
Okay, woods,
Just
not
make
gonna lie.
sure Adler and Mason are ready at the exit.
Get out of here.
Reach that exit. Bastards are blocking the exit. We're gonna have to punch through them.
Oh. Open the store. Open the store.
Watch that guy in the arm. Bad news. I'm moving.
Oh wait, is there more? Oh. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Bro, can you... Hey, away. Oh, fuck. Oops. They are lethal at close range. Okay, keep your distance.
Cover me. Watch that guy in the arm. Bad news.
Any ammo? Got them all? Wait, we moving to? Oh, hey. Sorry. Alright, we're driving this out of here, boys.
I'll drive. Let's see here. Mission, steering, gear shift. Alright, let's roll.
Let's roll, let's roll.
Hold on, Bell.
Right.
Bell, watch that fucker coming up on our right. God damn it! Oh, the urban renewal, you assholes! Fuck that guy.
Oh.
Keep shooting. I'm looking for an exit. We just killed them to put in some goddamn street signs. There, I can see the exit. Hold on. Focus fire those APCs. I'm gonna floor it.
God damn it.
Bell, what's your status?
Gather everyone, Park. The whole team. Hudson's got a shit ton of explaining to do.
So Hudson's a rat. Kia ora, Hudson there.
Yes, sir, I'm on it.
Just gonna beat him up.
You knew the nuke was from Greenlight. Didn't tell us. What else are you hiding? Maybe I can knock the truth out of you.
You might want to rethink that, Woods.
Everybody stand down. This little pissing match isn't gonna help us catch Perseus.
Why didn't you tell us it was an American nuke?
He needed us to clean up his mess. The bastard's been lying to us all along.
It's not a lie. It's an omission of fact.
That's what you do best, isn't it, Hudson? Manipulate people. Tell them your own version of the truth.
There is no truth. Only who you choose to believe. Adler knows all about that. Don't you, Russ?
Operation Greenlight. What is it? Tell us everything.
Back in '58, the arms race was in full swing. Eisenhower was convinced if the Reds moved on Europe, we couldn't respond quick enough. So he authorized Operation Greenlight, top secret program that placed nuclear bombs in every major European city. The ultimate countermeasure to a Soviet invasion. 74 of the bombs were upgraded to high-yield neutron bombs, capable of terminating personnel without damaging infrastructure.
Thousands dying in a flash. You're talking about fucking infrastructure.
How's that for civilized? We kill the people but preserve the buildings.
We're trying to preserve our way of life.
How long have you known about the missing nuke?
One of the Greenlight nukes went offline 8 weeks ago. We suspected it was Perseus, but couldn't confirm it. So we saw the photos you brought back from East Berlin.
So, there's an American-made nuke in the wild. And once Perseus detonates it, the United States becomes global enemy #1.
We wouldn't have this problem if you'd done your job. Killed Perseus in Vietnam.
Careful, Hudson. Next time, I might not stop Woods.
Oh. Hospidado. Anako I hoa, ngā mihi mo te aroha, thank you. For the love, my bro. No mai ki te whānau, my bro. How's League of Legends been going, cuz?
Anything else in that printout Bell and Woods pulled from
Thank you for the
base?
follow, my bro.
There's mention of an excavation taking place in the Ural Mountains, Yamantau. Our insider within the KGB confirmed an active operation.
Yamantau. I thought Hudson and Weaver buried that place years ago.
We did.
Perseus wants to salvage the old mainframe.
Dragovich and Steiner must have left some good shit behind.
Steiner.
It's going fine, bro. Just taking a break.
You're
Nice,
too
bro.
close to
Nice,
this,
nice.
Mason.
Are you
We
streaming?
can afford 0 fuck-ups.
Bullshit. You know there's no one better for the job.
It's
Just
my
jamming,
call.
but a campaign.
I want Mason and
First
Woods on
campaign
this.
I played since Modern
Find
Warfare
that
2,
mainframe
so
before Perseus does.
yeah.
I'll contact our KGB insider Belikov. He'll offer logistical support.
KGB.
Hell, Belikov may want to fly the chopper himself.
Whatever Perseus wants at Yamantau, I want it more.
Because of a Cold War. And this is a long mission.
The first building is just over that ridge.
Thanks, Dimitri. We'll radio when we found the mainframe.
Woods.
Now
You
no
know
stream,
what the
find it hard to
KGB
stream
does
when
to
friends
double
jump
agents.
on, we jump from game to
Yep.
game. Ah, okay, bro. What games do you usually play? What your main is your main
They
game
win this
League?
season, it's almost worth facing the fighting squad.
Can't wait to do campaign. Oh, yo, you got the game?
Yeah.
Yo, cool.
I've only 1
Well,
hour
this is a
of
bit of a
fuel,
spoiler
so
alert
after
stream,
that,
then, bro.
you'll find
If that's the
yourself a new
case.
ride.
Come on, let's get moving, Mason.
Sorry, my bro. This is the longest mission on it yet. There's a couple of quick missions at the start.
That's our
Third
inside man.
mission, like third-ish mission, I think it is.
Vodka, caviar, food.
Bit of a
The beach
series.
is kosher enough. He
We're
knows
in the
where all the
mountains
bodies
now.
are
I need to moan it. I think I'm moaning.
buried at.
Wait, okay, where are we? Okay, film out though. This is a big ass stuff mission, this one. This one that I'm on at the moment. Back. Back. Back.
Heads up. Scouts on the ridgeline. We do this quiet.
Yeah, my
Mason.
main game is
Yeah,
LOL,
you're
but
the expert in quiet.
play
I'm a goddamn
StarCraft too.
onion,
Oh, all
Mason.
those type of games.
You should
Among
know
Us,
that.
well, and gonna get into Vermintide. I don't know what the Vermintide is, but I know what StarCraft is, but yeah, it's similar to LOL, right? Wow, I've always wanted to play WoW, but I've always wanted to play WoW, bro. But like, I feel like I'm super late to the party.
Good kill. Nice.
A
Let's keep
leggy,
moving.
yeah. Oh, Age of Empires. Okay.
You take one, I'll get the other.
Stand up, cuz.
Damn,
Oh, you
Mason,
missed
little
him
pent
there.
up aggression.
What was that?
Look who's talking.
Shit, this looks dicey.
Yeah, my lap is too
But hey,
lame
if
to
it's
play
good enough for
COD. Gonna
Reds.
wait for gaming rig to turn up at stream.
You go
Then
first.
stream COD as well. Oh, nice. Have you got PC coming up, bro? Can we zoom? Did it say? Oh no. The jam LOL on the Leppy, bro. He turns up first. Oh, nice, cuz it's not too far away, bro.
I hope this holds.
Nice, bro. You got all the main specs on there as well. My PC I built is like it's only a workstation. Or I built it for video editing and
Piece
stuff.
of cake.
So it's not the best kind of for PC gaming or even
That's the old
stream,
SATCOM
but
building.
goes all good. Eh?
Looks like it's hanging by a thread. Good kill. See any more? Let's keep moving.
Oh, missed. No. Did he shoot just in case shot from? I don't feel like I missed it. This is the Tundra, this snipe, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, jam on LOL on Leppy doesn't seem to affect it. Yeah. Nah, cause I think I don't know, bro. I don't know anything about PCs, but what I've noticed the same when streaming shooters and stuff like that. How many of them do? LOL is all good. It's not like harder. Oh shit! It's not that intensive on your PC and stuff.
Clean
That's what I
kill.
found. Shooters like COD though, bro. Holy hell! Runs your PC through the ringer, eh? But
Tango down. Clear. Push inside.
what is it? What is it, one? Yeah, COD sucks. Yeah, when you play on left, you get it hard.
Damn. Look at this place.
Oh, hey babe. I muck around on LOL sometimes as well, cause I mean I'm not good at it though. Like I could get way better, but you just gotta spend time on it, I guess. But I like to play a bit of a Ramus, bro.
I think they said
the
they're
main
prepping
character
the
I like.
mainframe for extraction with the crane. We find the crane.
Remax?
We find the mainframe.
Ah, it's just in my eyes.
Soviet engineering at its worst.
Oh! Oh, shucks.
We find the crane. We find the mainframe.
Oh, you hate playing against rounds so you can be stunned? Yeah, very hard. It's annoying when people counter me too. I'll tell you that much. Just like tanky, yeah. Especially when he's like up. Like if I up the enemy jungler or something. Wait, are we still stealthing or not?
Head to cover.
Why are you yelling? You tanking, then pushes R. Yeah, bro. Are we shooting these people, bro? Oh no, let's wait for them. Oh, one up there. I think there's two up there. What's the go in here? Oh! Stuff it up. What was that, Colette? Oh, for some reason on campaign it slows it down when I hold through. What are the guys up top? I'm sure we missed them.
That's the Doomsday bunker. We're getting close to the mainframe room. We'll cross
Doomsday
on that
bunker?
cable.
Holy hiccup.
Those Reds on the helipad have some serious.
Yeah, I've had my fish tries ADCs in it, but like, wow, they just don't got enough life for me, eh?
I went first last time.
Why change it up now?
Whatever.
Oh! That's supposed to happen. Oh, gorilla grip. Ah. Get them up.
Mason, what's your status?
Lost
Oh.
my damn gun. You're going first next time. I see a tunnel down here. You'll have to find another way inside.
Copy that. Stay shooting.
Woods. Great.
No comms now.
Damn, it's cold. Huh. Crossbow bolt.
Oh, zombies? Is that a zombies thing? Oh, it's a doomsday bunker, so yeah.
Это место было заброшено после схода лавины. Я слышал, что были найдены. Нужно
Damn it. Oh, I couldn't see him, bro. Get him on my hoe. Stuff the mission up again. What the hell? Oh, this is cool. Oh, yo, what's on? Yeah, I think it's from zombies. EP5 or AK? Yeah. This is too fun to use. Oh, peek. Oh, imagine having this in multiplayer. Oh, is that hidden? Holy hiccup. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, he nearly got me. So nearly. I'm gonna
Yeah, I
jam
read you.
some
You
low,
gotta be
have a good
close.
stream over. All going my way. Thanks for clocking in, cuz. And having the chat, bro. Thank you. Enjoy your games, my bro. And I'll see you in the next stream, bro. I always pull your tab up when I see you. Why'd I have to kiss the bloody door to open it? Shot brother. All good, my bro. Mate well, my bro. See you later. See you next time.
Over here.
Holy shit.
With the ruckus you made, I'm surprised the entire Soviet Union ain't up our ass.
You've been busy.
That's what they pay me for. In here, Chief.
Any evidence?
Mason, hop on that scope. Look for something that could lift the mainframe.
Cool. What
You
mean?
see any dig sites? If I'm reading this map right, swing a few degrees to your left, more north.
Still what?
You ask me, they're here for more than just the mainframe.
That's right.
Steiner was working on all sorts of crazy shit. That Nova 6 business was just the tip of the iceberg. Looks like they're packing up and getting ready to move out.
29. What are we looking for? Oh. Alright, just need to lift the A-frame. A few degrees to my right. Oh, left. Left, sorry. My left. That's a here. Surely. Huh? GBI Coda.
There. What's
Oh,
that?
there.
Bingo.
Map says that crane's hanging right over the atrium. Puts it in spitting distance of the old computer room. That's where we need to go.
Have you found the mainframe?
There's a big crane on the west side of the base. Have your winch ready.
Excuse me? My winch?
Sorry, you're breaking up.
Smoking it?
They got a crane, we got a chopper.
Oh, I like the bow though, not gonna lie. Flashies, always. Oh, there we go now.
Посторонний!
Dimitri, we're pinned down. That chopper loaded?
Fuck you never asked. Like your 4th of July, huh?
Oh shit, I thought I cleared that. Maybe.
Здесь посторонние!
Helicopter, pinned down. Can we get a little help here?
Are you kidding? Hold on to your fast. Like your 4th of July, huh? You're welcome.
Where are we going? Are we getting down? Oh, we're going down. Woo! So 1 sec.
Turret, 12 o'clock. Shit, find cover.
Oh shit, that's hard.
Find cover, that turret will tear you up.
Little peekaboo here. Oh.
Nice work. Let's go. Hostiles on the zip line.
Get him. line?
Damn thing better hold this time.
Going down, brother?
I'm over the extraction site. Are you ready?
Oh.
Hold on. Let's go, Mason. Mason, we gotta get down there now.
What do you do? Do you just jump? Who does it?
Is the mainframe big? Because if it's too big, we can't lift off.
Mason, we gotta get down there now. No. It's regular size. Keep moving.
Oh, I didn't even see him.
Pick up the pace, Mason. Dimitri, we're in position. Lower the winch.
Loading.
The winch on, brother. Oh. Better calm down.
Relax in, Dimitri. Take us
I'm
up.
out of rest. Oh,
Careful up there.
This weight is most uncooperative.
oh. Looked at on him.
Pick up the pace, Belikov.
Holy hell, bro.
Slow down.
Oh.
Slow down.
Oh. That's all I'm buried.
Whoa. Shit. Careful up there.
This weight is most uncooperative.
Come on. Pick up the pace, Belikov. Fuck. Slow down. Slow down.
Slow down. Believe, I'll handle the flying. You handle the shooting, okay?
We're clear, Dimitri. Take us home.
Oh, this was a escape? What did we just steal?
Hudson,
We finished analyzing that mainframe that Mason Woods brought from Yamato.
and?
Perseus was looking for the names of sleeper agents Dragovich used in 68.
Give us those names. We'll get Adler's team to track them down.
Perseus erased them.
Fuck me.
There's only one place you're gonna find that information now. The Lubyanka building.
What? KGB headquarters? Why didn't Perseus get them there himself?
I don't know. Maybe he's operating without authorization.
I'll let Adler know. But we're gonna do this the right way. We're not gonna do it at all.
was a pretty long mission, but no, that was me. That was all. Big loading time. Alright, better head to Seafield.
Just got word. Belikov is back in Moscow.
You guys know the plan. Bell, you're with me. Lazar, be ready for exfil.
Are you taking him into the KGB with you? Are you crazy? Wait for Mason or Woods to return.
I don't need Mason or Woods. I need Bell. He's got the skill we need.
Ah, no.
Are you enjoying this? You're risking the entire operation unnecessarily.
It's not unnecessary. It's calculated.
Just understand that if you botch this, we can't get those names.
Look at the get up there,
It's
all
over.
these leather jacks.
I know you can do this. Hudson doesn't trust anyone he can't control.
Exactly. Oh, cool. So we've done about 3 main missions at the moment. Whanau had 2 quick ones. He roa he heati ko tētai he ahuaroa ake I ngā mea tua tahi me te tuaroa. Ko te tuaroa he ahuaroa, yeah. So those were 2 quick missions and 1 long one. Whanau, yeah, not pretty cool campaign so far. I don't know, nothing really kind of shocks me or like surprises me about a campaign again. But it's good to get back into a campaign in story mode. It's heavy into like CIA intelligence and all that stuff like that, nuclear bombs or whatever, and we're traveling around the country and stuff. But yeah, no, that's cool. So for the purposes of me doing the campaign walkthroughs, I'm posting this I'm streaming it right now onto YouTube. And then, yeah, this is part 1 of the campaign whanau. So tomorrow we'll run it again, run a couple hours on campaign, and then we'll keep going until we get through the whole thing. But for the purpose of this one, ngā mihi kia koutou kua takahi mai nei ki roto I tō tātou nei pāoho. Hei a pōpō ka mahi anō tātou ne. So yeah, thanks everyone for coming into the stream. I'm going to stop this one right now. And then, yeah, we'll see you in the next one, or part 2 of our campaign modes. Okay, hei konara.